What's up, dude? It's your boy Jordan Stamina. I was supposed to be the editor, but now I'm a little bit of like everything, like the gaffer, the DOP, a little bit of directing, I guess. Shout out the team for creating this. Shout out to Shane for making this happen too, man.
Yes, sir. We're all here. We're all out
This
here.
guy's gonna be a lot of things today.
Big setup. Big setup.
But yeah, let's go see what they're doing over here.
What's going on? You see everybody here right now. You see the makeup artist just pulled up. She's getting her makeup done. My boy Anthony Douglas. Make sure you follow him on IG. Everybody's stuff's gonna be in here. You know what I mean? The production's about to start up. Yeah. So my name is Dion. My IG is it's gonna be in the link because I don't actually know my IG name. You don't even need to know mine. Just follow the ground up page. You know what I mean? And you'll see everything else. You know.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Eugene Sam. You know what it is. I'm back again. You know, boy Jordan, Dion. You know, about to do this movie till death do us part.
Yeah, man.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part. Eugene, what do you do, bro? What's your position?
Yo, I'm the videographer, photographer for today. I'm running the shoot.
Yeah.
You know, I got
The pressure's all on this guy.
yeah, bro. I'm already sweating. I'm already sweating, bro.
My Crody. This is Crody right here. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Hello.
hello.
Good. How are you? Hi, babe. No. I feel so uncomfortable when we walk in. I'm Sophia. I'm the makeup artist. All right. So this is my beauty kit. So my setup is I have it organized like these are my highlighters. These are most of my tools. I have a few of my brow things. My sponges, my lip kit, my powders, my bronzers and blushes and concealers, my foundations, and all of my eyeshadow and bronzer palettes and my eyeshadow palettes and my brow kit. I got it all organized. This is my friend Amar, guys. Hi.
So check this out. We have one of the 600 X's outside. It's basically being bicolor, so it acts like the moonlight. Like, look how powerful it is. I'm gonna go turn it off. And I wanna see how oh damn. Look at the difference. That's pretty freaking powerful. Sorry. That means we're gonna have to push it all the way back. That way it's not so harsh. Power of lighting. On. Yeah.
Megan.
Please don't call me Megan guys. I will literally be pissed.
Yes. It's already documented, so.
Doesn't matter if it's talking
official,
Megan,
it's
I'm
your
calling
name.
you that. We are doing a cut crease with glitter and sparkles. Are we getting close to it?
Hi, I'm Michael Pecchia, and I'm actually a background, but I'm also an actor, and let's get it done. It's a short film.
My name's Kenny, and I'm just out here supporting my own boys right here.
There we
Yo,
go.
this film right here is gonna be one hell of a film, so stay tuned.
Okay. About to get a little braid.
I'm just super blind now. Here to stay, you know?
We are on the.
I love your
Give me
makeup.
5 minutes. He's gonna look so different.
Didn't you do a
Yes.
good job?
Look at how
The
crazy it
eyes.
is, guys. Look how crazy.
I hope I got a good angle of that.
Oh, no. Listen, guys, I'm telling you right now, if you guys were supposed to be here and you didn't, you're missing out, guys. I'm telling you. Let's go.
Hey, it's my wine. Have some.
Hey, you guys don't have to whine about it. Come on, man.
Yeah, nobody's whining out here.
Whining and dining.
Okay.
Sophisticated driver than
You actually look like a vampire though.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Do you like it?
Let's go. You got the black shirt.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you look without makeup.
Oh, natural.
Settings are different, so keep going down.
I didn't smoke yet.
Are you sure about that? It looks like you smoked a whole ounce right now, Jordan. Got it.
Yes. Variety of things you can
It's like it's burning my eye though.
You see?
It's gonna be a crazy shit, bro.
Yep. Bro,
Death do us
you know how
part,
crazy
bro.
it is? I'm fucking dead. Look at this.
Look at this guy's eyes,
I'm
bro.
dead. Okay, so you're gonna honk for yes or for go. So as soon as you guys are ready, honk. He's gonna go.
Yo, should he sit up here?
No. It's too much.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
But just be steady, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Here we go.
Yo, stuntman driving, part 1, action.
Let's go. Action. Yep, just keep going.
The position? I'm just independent contractor. Name is Asen.
What are you doing right now, bro?
I'm trying to stand on this chair, bro.
So you're gonna have to be steady. So if you have to, put it on here, because I know we're not using the gimbal just yet. You guys ready?
You ready?
Action.
What we're doing is making a bunch of what's it called? Debris.
Yep.
That way, when we go through,
It just goes.
it goes whoosh.
Yep.
Exactly.
Up this, we don't want her to have to be going all the way across to be able to get to the car. We want it to be right here. No, so park it up this way. Okay, and then you.
Oh, Spirit fucking Halloween, yeah!
Yes, sir.
C'est ici que ça se passe.
Oh fuck.
D'accord.
He said some shit.
Ça se passe dans le 9-3, G!
He said some shit.
Oh yes, all the haze. Look at that. Look at that inside. That is us, baby. Sorry? Look at the scene right now. It's fucking crazy. See that?
We got a little bit of till death do us part. There's a lot of love here, you know. Cameraman over there, he's setting up the boom right here. Right. Well, this is the microphone. I heard me.
Can I just throw something in? After so she's supposed to get up, go outside. They're supposed to move in the seat, and we're supposed to engage.
I'm just gonna see how.
Yeah, I hope so. Do a part 2 to this, it'll be crazy. Ooh. Who's this guy right here?
Crucified?
This guy's getting crucified. Till death do us part.
Yeah, I can do that. So good.
How's the sound? Whoever's talking? How's the sound? Can you hear me fine? False alarm, that's all it is, man.
I need a picture of you.
Yeah, bathroom?
Like, he was all the way up there, and I blinked, and he was right here in front of me. I'm like, we told him to turn off the light, and he was like, yo, bro, there's witches and shit. Like,
Yeah, I see a ghost. Not right here, obviously. But fuck. Yeah, that would be too much. I see a ghost before, and it's so fucked up. So I'm very fucking scared of ghosts. I'm so like allergic to ghosts.
right here.
Let me know if I need to fix anything.
Yep. Helena, can you close the door for a second? Please and thank you. So Eugene, come over here. So it's gonna start with that. Go. And then start walking back. So she's there. Hold on, one more time. Do it a little bit slower. You can do it because, like, you know.
Like a leisurely walk, man.
Yeah. Let's go back to frame. And it's just gonna remember you want to go slow because it's a board movie. I will dolly grip you. So keep it right there. Let's see. Okay, Halima, come out.
Oh yeah.
So do I die right now or no? No. Okay. Alright, ready? Fall. 2, 1, action. Hey, cut. Alright, we got that. We got that.
Bring that smoke for us. I'm ready. Stressful day, bro. I'm ready to just let loose, have a couple drinks, and get set.
chances. The devil wear Prada, she giving out lap dances. They tryna